Hello guys! So if you're ever wondering how to make your own custom ringtones on iPad/iPhone, just follow my steppies. So first, if you go to YouTube, I mean, sure, the self-parking show would work, I guess.
They say good things come to those.
So, go to here. Copy. Go to this following. Go to YouTube. HTTPS. Those three things. YTMP3.new. Then just paste the code into here. Then press download. Ignore this. Download. Now it's downloading. So now you need to get a 1 GB app called GarageBand. Put one sec. I think open this. Oh, right. You need to install Ringtone Maker, which is on the App Store for free. So you just press this, more, import from file, press this, whatever song you just downloaded, press this, make, now press go. That's not the right button. Just press GarageBand. Hold down on it, press share, press ringtone, continue if you get that port, wait a tiny little bit, press OK. Then if you go to settings, and then go to sounds, and then it will be there. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching, everybody.